Welcome to the place when you want a good time. Just for fun and the place when joke on your mind. And just for fun and we don't want to see you done. Just for fun after the drop down. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Welcome to the place when you...
Boy, the one can't no easy, you know. Watch by him now. Anyway, him got him on him belly. Boy, poor thing, always hungry. If I find a good girl for him, she can go and cook for him and them something there. You know them kind of way there?
That would a good for him go and find a girl for go and cook for him, yes. But if go find the food for she cook.
But upon you attack now. Like you can't food come in here. I know I'm going to want some more I cook today, you know. Come here cook some kung soup with a whole heap of corn in night. But I need one extra pack of fish up for go and turn you up. Cause you know it not go normal. There's man, take the money what I did give you and go up teach it and go buy one pack of fish up. Me give it back. Oh, and buy one cash pot for me too now. I think a number 15 or 20. Just look for the one that have the bullfrog on it and buy the number there. Feel yourself, go do something about the bullfrog in the backyard, you know. Come jump out for me this morning when I wash the clothes them.
Oh me, make him go spit by me and bump me up. Make Desmond deal with that. We free of them thing there.
Hey yo, Jabby, you see the mango there? It's a carrot all over it, you know. But that's why I know say it have a date with my belly in idea. See it?
Well, if a carrot it say, go and chew me hydrate.
So I say, am I one that Jabby?
Yes, I am. I for the eye that, man. You want some sip, me hydrate?
Sip? I want that.
Why? You never sip yet, me hydrate. Sip a serious sip, man. Sip a those red peas, pumpkin, and a whole lot of delicious things cooked down with some natural coconut juice. A straight niceness, you see me?
All I go on now, Jabby. That kind of one sound like stew peas. I mean, enough to tell you about that of my attitude. But hold on there. How can I meet you having there?
No, carrot, man. I want to you. You know somebody think vitally vital. No skin, no flesh by my plate. You know some look fresh on my face. Then carrot. You know it's a salt rat out your bone hydrate.
No salt. No meat. No Jabby. I can't see it. But look salt like thing, man. Cause last time me checking out, me hear a cartoon when I worry about them thing there.
Hey, see you, carrot. You want to read the sample, you know? So I say, see you can that now, if you just go and eat up the pork and chop the bone and eat up the flesh and all them things there and drink up the white rum like the whole of the eye them. No, that I am. I go on over the other, you see me? But yo, me I go on the back there, because I have some little things me I work on. Me I go and paint a picture of this majesty. See it?
I'm trying to locate Carrot. Do you know his whereabouts?
Who carrot? If me know spot in there, well it all depends on my boss. You know what I say?
Little boy, I have no idea what it is you're trying to say. So do you know his whereabouts or not?
Well, if you peel me a little thing at your discretion, we can point in the right direction. You know what I say?
What you dealing with, boy? Extortion? You know the time of police? You want to go jail now?
No, sir. He right down there, sir.
You just watch yourself.
Man, where you go, me and you, man? You're a fight against.
Come in at this. How you feel like? When I tell you say my belly are going out today.
Marley, come on now. Fierce, how that shot man over the dread yard?
Mr. Carrot, I must say, it's a pleasure meeting you in person. Good day, sir.
Yeah, Wagwan. You have some business with me?
Well, actually, if there's a possibility, it might be of great benefit to you.
Great benefit to me. That sound like something I can work with. So yeah, sir, run the dialogue now. Let me hear what I deal with.
Ha! Run the dialogue. I'm telling you, Carrot, you're certainly living up to my expectations. Same guy on the tube, same guy in person, which is good. Well, anyway, this is what I'm proposing.
Mr. Carrington, you are now an official artist on the roster of New Kingston Records and MM. Thank you for signing with us. Rest assured you're in good hands. Welcome. How does it feel?
Personally, me and I shake and thing, fist to fist.
Well, okay.
That's right now, don't think me feel, I my belly a growl. Sometimes some money reach my pocket, me give update for the one, yeah?
Fair enough. And also I was thinking that name Carrot doesn't really suit you as a recording artist. I was thinking about some names along the lines of like Carrot Cartel or Carrot Caline or Carada. What do you think about those names?
No, you don't have my name part already. Carrot JUS. Cause me's a singer. I'm sing sweet. You see me?
Carrot Juice could possibly work, but with a voice like that, one would almost be certain you're a DJ. This comes as a surprise.
Yeah, surprise. I have to keep them on them tour. You see me? Sometimes I sing for girl them. Carrot juice. Sometimes I sing some conscious tune. Culture juice. You see me?
Well, in all honesty, Mr. Carrington, or Carrot as I know you'd rather be called, I never signed you based on the fact that you were a DJ or a singer. I wanted to sign you because you were quite popular, and I wanted to capitalize, see how I could take it to the next level of your career. I do recall there was an episode in that show that you're in that you actually left the show because you weren't satisfied because you had demands that they couldn't meet.
Yeah, it's alright now. Just a fun up for discussion, Cause my family that. When you see me, it's just a fun. So we do our thing, and I do my thing with them over there, so. And you can't forget say I chew them, make you want to see me here, so. So you don't know, just a fun me say. I'm not stop say that. Yeah?
Well, let's not worry about that right now. Okay? But I just wanted to know that Carrot here at New Kingston Records and MM, we take care of our people. Just know that.
Well, sure I'm proof now. So I can get in the groove.
Oh, Mr. Carrot. You know, I didn't say Mr. Carrington. I'm getting it. But you certainly are a character, But in all due respects, we do have to get you into the studio as soon as possible so you can get to grooving. Right?
Yeah, now you talk. That more I hear about some studio time. You don't know. Got the girl I'm wait for the trilling. You see me?
You know, actually there's a session in progress right now with one of our new artists. She goes by the name of Katina. Her story is quite similar to yours, She's an internet sensation, actually very viral. And now she's with us. And we're gonna take her to the next phase of her career, just like we're gonna do with you. You know what? Let's go down and check it out.
Why you won't leave my man alone? You got cockroach, you. That's what you are now. You know what I got cockroach. My girl, you should have seen me and your man last night. You should have said we did a turn and let me see my love and not treat me check, so you have a nothing for me. But my girl, if you not feel it, you not feel me. One thing I want you understand. Me no want him if I know your man. If you left him, me I go kick him to the curb. Me and him alone when I get on me nerves. Me no want to live in single. Him could have a lip of chips like tingle. Hey, one thing I want you to understand. My girl, him a give up to me, man.
That is Bernard, my top engineer. He has the most sought after ears in the business. You'll be working with him.
The man know the man. Bernard, you know him as? Me know him as Ratbat. But me never know say my engineer. Yo, the man they rate me to the fullest, man. Me can't come here and no yell up them man there.
Well, it's good to see that you guys have a good rapport. But at this moment, I wouldn't advise disturbing him.
Nah, man, the man I'm glad for security anytime.
Well, okay. Suit yourself. You were cautioned.
But good, man. The man have to know security not the place. You see me? You alright, what go on?
Buckler can go rest, man. Sure.
You should have shown me the turn and that listen in my love and not treat me right.
Ha ha ha. I tried to warn you. Nonetheless, don't be dismayed. Because I have something for you that's going to definitely pick your spirits up. Desmond, come here. Carrot, this is Desmond. You can call him the facilities all-around guy. You can go to him for whatever needs you may have, food, etc. But he must be tipped well for any services he provides. Now that we've gotten past most of the preliminaries, let's get to one of the perks, which makes an affiliation with this company a great thing. Is everything set to go, Desmond? Yes, sir. Well, okay. Take Mr. Carrot down and let him have it.
You have to create so much excitement. I want you. How you want me to see a ride by? I could have a helicopter you fly to Rotted. I'm not impressed. Sure.
So you go on. Wait till you hear the big tune them. You go on tune in them time there. See? I hope it's not too late. I must get your full attention one day, you know. You go on.
Can't you can't.
I go on, my general. You tell me, where you get them tires here? See, look a sharp brother will come through there in a big vehicle. The brother is a big record company, man, you know. The man say, want the album out of Carrot, see? And the man know my value, brethren. And the man give me the bike and say, oh, go and take road. You see me? So you soon shoot all video and all them things there. I'll fly out. See if you touch all England, want a white bank rubber, see? Size 10. Straight. You don't know my youth. Can't take it to them worldwide. You see me?
Yo, superstar. How I go on? It look like they make it.
You don't know, you know. We're not too make it yet, you know. But we're there on the job. You see me?
Yo, Carrot, the helmet, the body of my youth. Never go bother ask spot to get it.
Yo, that look like original bullbuck. You see it?
Straight Viking, you see it? Yo, moi, I shoot down the road still, I'm a general. See it?
Well, that's right now. This ugly woman can't ride by my bike, you know. And then the man thing. Yeah?
You can't come deal with them way there. Me and your brethren, come up off of that. Shoot me down the road, man. Cha.
So I'm not ride the man from my bike, brethren.
Oh, you're a fool. Me and your brethren. Drop me off down the road, man.
John, no, no. I love them thing, you know. No, no. Back to back.
It's all good. Right, man.
Well, things are not too bad right now, but it definitely could be better. No, I sold that estate in Otrios. I actually sold it for twice the amount it cost me to build it. So I guess that was good. Now I'll have to make do with my two remaining homes and the condo in Negril. I got rid of the Jaguar. Range Rover. Well, I should say Rovers, because I have two. Yes, I still have the Mercedes. No, we went to St. Bart's this year. Well, I could understand that. One would think that 7 days and 6 nights with my beautiful wife in St. Bart's would be enough to clear my mind. But I tell you this, every waking day and sleepless night, there was only one thing on my mind. Booger, you good, Johnny. Anyway, that ungrateful boy, Booger Yaga Johnny. Let me tell you what this boy did to me and why I changed my method of doing business. I took Booger Yaga Johnny from a nothing, gave him 5 consecutive hit songs on the radio, a tour, very successful at that, came back from the tour, and I gave him a nice little Toyota Corolla. You think he would be happy with that? No. He decided he had to steal from me. No. His method of stealing was quite different, as his method was not very easy to track. But the guesstimation of damages that I've suffered in financial loss is staggering. With the popularity that he attained through my means, he was in high demand. He was doing these dub plates for $500 to $1,000 US daily, and a minimum of 9 to 10, sometimes more. You do the math. Actually, don't do the math, because the results are going to make me start bawling like a baby again. Actually, too late. I have to stop breaking down like this. Alright, he's now driving an X6 and has put 2 of his kids through college in the States, at my expense. The thought of monies being doled out and none coming my way just rips me at the core. But I've changed the game and also changed my brand's name from not just Kingston Records to New Kingston Records and MM. AMM for me means money maker, makes money, more money, my money, period. That is correct, period. There'll be no more come-ups at my expense, as I will release nothing locally. As a matter of fact, I release nothing, period. You can say, now I'm just a collector of catalogs for licensing purposes, if you catch my drift. Yes, I know it's not the ideal scenario, but I have my methods of squeezing every bit of juice out of each and every album. And just knowing that these little ingrates aren't running around out here doing these little side gigs and dub plates and ripping me off gives me a greater satisfaction, especially at nights when I stand on my balcony smoking my cigar overlooking the sea. And although the financial wound left by that Booger Yaga Johnny still lingers like the sore on a diabetic's leg, time will heal, I suppose. But anyway, the wife's been calling throughout this whole conversation. It must be quite urgent. Let me see what you want. Anyway, we'll talk again later, man. Nice talking to you. Okay, bye-bye.